In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Telegram account when you can't access your phone number. First, it's important to understand how Telegram works. Your account is fundamentally tied to the phone number you registered with. That's a core security feature, and there isn't a reliable official way to bypass it. If you don't have access to that number and you don't have an active session somewhere else, recovery is extremely difficult and often not possible. With that in mind, let's walk through the realistic options you do have. Start by checking whether you're still logged in on another device. This could be a computer, a tablet, or even an old phone you haven't used in a while. Open Telegram on that device and go to Settings, then Devices. Here you can view and manage your active sessions. If you're lucky, Telegram may send the login code to that active session instead of sending an SMS. Use that to sign in securely on your new device, then review and clean up old sessions to protect your account. If you can't find an active session, your next option is to submit a support request. Visit my.telegram.org/ayuth, log in, enter your phone number, and describe your situation clearly and calmly. Include non-sensitive proof such as the types of devices you used, approximate dates you created the account, or references to older chats that only you would know. Keep expectations realistic. Responses can take days or even weeks, and without verification linked to your number, success is uncommon. Your most reliable path is to regain access to the phone number itself. Contact your mobile carrier to recover your SIM or reactivate the number. Bring valid identification and any account details they require. Once you have the number working again, request the Telegram login code by SMS or use the voice call option if available. Reinstall Telegram, enter your phone number, and log in promptly so the code doesn't expire. After you're back in, consider tightening your security settings and keeping a trusted device logged in as a backup. If none of these options work, no active session, no carrier recovery, no successful support response, the account is likely unrecoverable. In that case, the best move is to create a new Telegram account with a number you control so you don't risk further data loss. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.